Morning everyone, first night in the cab, how was it? Well, I'll tell you what, next time I won't be parking so close to a fucking road. Like, these lay-bys, I don't know if you can't feel it, but I didn't think about it last night because there wasn't any cars or anything. So I was like, oh, this is so quiet and relaxing and lovely. Like, and the odd car noise is quite soothing. It's almost like, you know, listening to rain. But when it's this often, this many times, just, oh my God. So at around 6-ish, I was up, man, and my alarm's not even set till 8. That's 2 hours I could have slept. So yeah, man, top tip for you guys and girls: don't park near a lay-by unless you're getting up early with the traffic. But on the other hand, on the upside, it's actually amazing to get up to because I didn't feel tired or anything. It was like a slowly wake up call, just like, okay, I've had enough of the shaking now. Let's get up, let's get ready, let's brush my teeth, all of that good stuff. So we're gonna tidy up the cab, we're gonna sort ourselves out, and then we're gonna get going. We're only 5 miles down the road, so I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to part 2 of my first time tramping in a HGV. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kev, oh my God, we love that video so much. Can we get more? And here I am trying to deliver. Yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for the support, thanks for the love, all of that good stuff. Thanks for subscribing. And also, 25 tons of water can definitely get heavy. We are taking all 25 tons of water to Basingstoke. We've been driving for 2 hours and we've got about 2.5 hours left to go. I'm thinking about taking my 15-minute break and then I'll have my 30 once I get to the depot. But I need to get there at 3 o'clock and my sat nav is telling me I'll get there at around 2:30. So I don't really want to play about too much. I just want to maybe have a 15-minute break, go for a wee, get a coffee and crack on. So we've been driving for 3.5 hours. We've probably got 1 hour left, 50 miles to go, and then we get to the Basingstoke depot and get rid of this water. It's actually going to McDonald's, believe it or not, which is weird. Before we get there, I just had this sudden realization that I'd driven 3.5 hours, and it just felt like it didn't feel, yes, it's long and all of that good stuff, but none of it was painful. Do you know what I mean? Like when you're driving and you just can't wait for it to end. None of it was like that, and I feel like that's one of the biggest things that people are skeptical about. When they start lorry driving, or when they're thinking about doing the job like lorry driving, they're thinking, Jesus Christ, like driving 9 hours a day, like no, like I don't want to do that. But these things are not the same as cars. You're thinking about what it would be like driving a car for 9 hours a day. I mean, look at this. I'm coming up to traffic. The adaptive cruise control's kicking in. The retarders are kicking in. I'm slowing down and it'll speed me back up. I'm basically not even driving this thing. Honestly, if you're watching this and you're old school, yeah, then this generation thanks you, because we're not real truck drivers, I swear to God, honestly. Like, these things practically drive themselves. There's no gears anymore. We've got adaptive cruise control, lane assist, you name it, we've got it. You just basically need to concentrate, keep your hands on the steering wheel, and just enjoy the ride, listen to the best podcast in the world, and yeah, no, just have a laugh, get away from all the noise, all the traffic, all the bullshit in life, and just cruise along and get paid for it. Like, honestly, I can't express how much I love truck driving. Like, I know a lot of people are like thinking that I paint a pretty picture and it's not always like that, and they're correct. It's not always like that. Sometimes it is stressful. Sometimes you do get stuck in traffic. Sometimes you do feel worn out. Everyone's human. But what I'm saying is that there's also the upside to that, and there's something really therapeutic about just hitting the road, just cruising along and just having a grand old time, like spotting different wagons, different places, Peak District, the Lake District, Scotland. There's so much to see that people have never seen, and they would have never got to see unless they've done jobs like this. And also, have a bit of pride. Don't forget, right, whether it's agency or company, whatever, don't forget, me driving this here now is invaluable to the British economy. Okay, if you drive a HGV, you are an invaluable asset to the UK economy. Okay, look what happened with the driver shortage. Look what happened with COVID. We were running out of fucking toilet paper, for God's sake. Do you know what I mean? Food, water, all of that stuff. Not because we didn't have it, but because the distribution network, i.e. us, couldn't continue to work at the rate that we usually do. So the consumers, i.e. you, would consume everything and we couldn't replenish because of COVID. And it just gave everyone that big kick up the arse to say, look, these boys and girls going out there driving these lorries are invaluable to the industry, to our lifestyle, to everything, the way it works. Think about it, everything you use, even the TV that you're watching this on, came in a HGV from somewhere. The clothes you're wearing, whether it's Primark or Prada, if you're watching this and you're wearing Prada, fuck you know. But do you know what I mean? All those clotheslines would have come from a lorry. The car you drive to work, in a lorry. Everything touch and see and look at, a lorry has touched it. So, have a bit of pride and acknowledge the fact that what you're doing matters. Right, so we stopped short. Unfortunately, we're not going to make it because of that traffic on the M40. We are not going to be able to make the delivery on time. Someone crashed or some shit, I don't know. So I had to ring up the transport office and let them know. In turn, they're going to ring up Basingstoke and let them know. I'm going to be about 45 minutes late. Unfortunately, these things happen. Nature of the business, like they usually like to plan 1 hour of buffer time. So if the delivery is at 1 PM, they expect you to get there at 12. So they usually allow a 1 hour buffer time. Unfortunately, that got taken up by the traffic. So yeah, it is what it is. Like, sometimes it happens. Anyway, straight away, we pulled over to a lay-by and boom, we're on break. Not sure if you can see that. This thing's all cracked up. But yeah, we're on break now, so we're gonna wait 45 minutes. We're gonna chill. So yeah, we're gonna chill out. Perks of tramping, I guess, is the fact that we already have all of our stuff laid out, set up. We've got the bed, we got covers, we got pillows, we still got a few snacks and water, all of that good stuff. So all in all, tramping's actually quite great, because whenever you do have a 45-minute break, you got your whole house here ready to go. So yeah, I'm gonna get my head down for a bit, maybe have a little nap, and I'll see you all in Basingstoke. Peace. Cool, so we reached Basingstoke, and as per usual, there's about 4 lorries ahead of me. Which evidently means all I can do is just wait in the cab until they tell me which bay. Bay 21, bay 2, bay 3, oh my god, we got to go all the way around. But yeah, we're gonna go to bay 21 and make some reversing happening. Ooh. No, I'm a lot better now. Look, this guy's doing all right. Cool, so as you can see there, we've still got a red light. I can feel them offloading as we speak. So as soon as they've done that, I will probably go into the transport office down there, where this guy has just been. Get all my stuff. Please tell me you're going to shut your doors. Sir? Sir? Yeah, he's stopping. Oh, thank fuck for that. But yeah, I'm going to get to the transport office and then get the paperwork done. And back to the depot we go, and that's 2 days, 20-hour shift plus the 25 a night for tramping. Not bad. Woo, woo, woo. Foot down Friday begins, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm wheel spinning. Why am I wheel spinning? Woo! What a cracking 2 days it's been, man. I've absolutely loved tramping. Honestly, if you can do it, get out there, go do it. If you got young kids and you want to escape the night feeds and all the good stuff, then go out there and do it even more. But no, I am really happy it's finished though. I just want to say from the bottom of my belly, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all the support, all the love that you guys have shown. I can't believe we've actually done it. We've monetized on YouTube off of what, 12, 13 videos? I can't believe that. Like, I'm overwhelmed with the support that everyone's given me. And if I can be completely honest, I'm so happy that we've created this little community, shall we say, of people asking questions, no one giving a shit about disclosing how much they earn an hour or anything like that. Yeah, I love that we all share, we all have knowledge to provide. And I'm over the moon with the support. So thank you very much. If you're still watching, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know what you think of the content and also what you think of the podcast. But yeah, that's me, Kev, signing out for the week. Have a good one. Why, that outro's not bad.